Hi everyone, welcome to Leave the Garlic Kitchen. First of all, we have to prepare 3 eggs and then place all the eggs into the bowl. Then we stir the egg slowly. Prepare 5 cloves of garlic and smash them up. And then cut it small. Prepare 2 fish cakes and cut in slices. This is a 4 cups of cooked rice which cooked by yesterday. Then we add in half of the eggs into the rice and stir it frequently. So we stir all the eggs until all the eggs coated in the rice. Pour in a little of oil. Then we can start to fry our eggs until half cooked. When we fry the eggs until half cooked, then we can place them up and set aside. Then we can put in our chopped garlic and fry them up. Then put in the fish cake. Then we cook in a while more and put in the chicken slice. Then we continue cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes. After that, we can put in all the white rice into the wok. After cooking a while, we can squash the fried rice, and then it looks like frying an egg. This is to absorb the moisture of the rice. Did you see all the white rice coated with the eggs? It looks really yellow and really nice texture.